Hello viewers, I'm back again. Some people are fighting the proposed Anioma state, and most of these people that are fighting this state are not even from Anioma. Can you imagine? They have been making videos that they are opposed to Anioma state, that Ned Moke did not consult them. Can you imagine that? We believe that majority of Anioma people want a state for themselves. But some bloggers, they have been making videos here and there saying they don't want an Anioma state. And some are saying that Anioma people are opposed to that. Now, I want to play a video to you. This is an Ekason, a notable Ekason. And the head of the movement in the Nasobia Social-Cultural Organization, Kainebi, he's from Eka, and he is, in fact, one of the movers for the creation of Anioma state. You need to hear him, and we'll be right back.
We as a movement, as Nina Subia Social-Cultural Organization, we have agreed within ourselves that we are in and out for what is called Anioma state. Anioma state will not only complete the Igbo state, the Southeast, the number 6 state. Anioma state we add to the numerical strength politically. Anioma state we add to numerical strength. Somebody is asking me, hi, you are talking about Anioma state. Is Anioma people, have they agreed? So I said, let me tell you, me that I'm speaking, where do you think I'm from? I have majority of my people who are together with us in this quest to get this Anioma state done. And the Anioma state, the call to create Anioma state did not start from us. Our fathers, the likes of Dennis Osabeda, and so on and so forth, has always moved motion, has always called for this Anioma state as another additional state to the Southeastern state. Are we going to be in a water? White soap will enter our woman. Let it be that every one of us are running for the hashtag Anioma state creation, not Olu state creation. Olu state creation will still make us remain the way we are, but Anioma state creation or another state creation outside the 5 eastern existing state will add beauty to Ndibo. Until I come your way again, I want you to ponder on this Anioma state or Olu state. To me, Anioma state remain most valuable than that of Olu state. Until I come your way again, until I come your way again, remain safe and let your voice be heard on this issue of constitutional review. Until I come your way again with more details of what we are fighting for. I remember my humble self, well,
you have heard that from the horse's mouth. He is from the area called Anioma. So, for those who are asking, are Anioma people really interested? Or some people are pushing them? No, they are taking the lead. Ned Nwoko is from Anioma. And there are many people, just like Onyema Kainebi, they are involved in the project for Anioma state creation. For those who are deceiving you, some of them are even from Edo State. They don't want any detachment. Some from Delta. They don't want any detachment. They want Igbos to be stuck at the borders of each of their states. And are they even treating those Igbo community well? So Igbo wants to carve out an identity for themselves. And look at what he said. Dennis Osadebe, from this same area called Anioma, for long, these are people who are passed already. They have been clamoring for Anioma state. And Dennis Osadebe, based on what I read about him, has complained about the injustices meted against the Anioma people in the name of Old Bender State, in the name of Delta State. So they want to carve out an identity for themselves. They know who they are, and they want to identify as who they are. Now, let's look at the benefits of an Anioma state. It will be an Igbo state. and just like every southeast state. And if you look at what is called Anioma in Delta State, the size is about the size of or bigger than most southeast states. So they are enough to become a state. I'm talking about I'm not encroaching on anybody's territory. I'm talking about the Igbo speaking part of Delta and Ibanke in Edo State. They are enough to become a state. They are up to the size and even beyond most southeast states. So they can be a state of their own. So those who are clamoring for such state, they are on point. They know what they are doing and they are right. If added to southeast states as demanded in the bill by Ned Nwoko, it increases the numerical strength and the land space. For those who are asking for Olu State is just like fragmenting us further, balkanizing our place. Further balkanization. Nothing added, no population added, no land added. Southeast remains that small, like the former president called it, dots in a circle. Can you imagine? The addition of Anioma State increases in the land space of Igbo land. They are already Igbo land, but states that are called Igbo states. Increases in the land space, the population, numerical strength. Igbos are beyond this, but politics here and there. And it saves people of Anioma by having these states. The injustices, the oppression against these people will end because they now have a state of their own, a homogeneous state, just like every other Southeast, speaking one language that they all understand. It's an opportunity to unite Ndibo and Ndibo. If Anioma, by God's grace, succeeds, becomes a state added to the Southeast, they link up with their real relatives because the real relatives of Anioma people are in the area called Southeast today. These are their real relatives. And that is why you see copies of the same kind of community. You see them in Southeast, you see them in Anioma. It's more like saying duplicates. Anyosha in Delta, Anyosha in Anambra, Onisha in Delta, Onisha in Imo, Onisha in Ebonyi, Onisha in Anambra. See the names, everything. All of the names you see in Anioma, you see them in Southeast and nowhere else. So it's an opportunity for them to link up with their real relatives. Let me tell you, some of we Southeasterners came from Anioma, and some of us from that area called Anioma, and some of them too came from us. The link is so much. Olu State does not change anything. Olu State does not add anything to us. It's political. Some politicians are trying to, when Olu State comes, they may be given, they ascend to, top roles. They become governor, this and that. That move for Olu State is not in the right direction. All Igbos should come together, Ohanese and Igbo, everyone should come together and clamor for an Anioma State. That one will do Igbo good, not Olu State. Please share this video widely. And once again, I want to tell you, many Anioma, in fact, the people that are leading this project for the creation of Anioma State are from Anioma. Please share this video widely. Spread it anywhere you are so that the person next to you will see it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I am Azuka OJ. Bye-bye for now.